Greenpoint. You know, they can't check it out. You know, they're so stupid. You know, the bus belongs to the company, not to our base. I want to drop them off. I'm just going to take my time because I'm not going to...
You know what? Just take it easy.
I'm going to drop these two off and then the one from Far Rockaway, we got to wait. That's all. Yeah. I'm not going to try to make it to Far Rockaway with that thing or nothing like that.
Especially here on the highway.
Yeah.
No, it's dangerous.
Oh, man. You know, I knew something was up. Shit. Oh, boy. Don't say nothing from Greenpoint.
Thursday,
Yeah.
we had
You know.
problem. Yesterday, oh boy. Now, today,
Oh, yesterday, crazy, you know. Oh, man. Drop these two kids off. Let me call whoever I got to call.
Jason, did you call your mom?
Oh, boy. Now, hell, I'm going to let them have it. Sir, I don't care if I lose my job or not. Don't give me no insufficient damn bus. You know, keep telling y'all idiots that the damn bus ain't, you know, sir, still giving me some stupid bus. You know, you're going to fix the damn bus right. Sir. Oh, man. Here goes his mother right here. Here goes his mother. Let's go.